Changing tyres using conventional tools and techniques is time consuming and labour intensive and carries the risk of damaging rims and tyres. The Corghi Artiglio Master J automates the process. The unique leverless system allows for rapid tyre changes without touching the rim of the wheel. The electronic control panel streamlines the process and allows the operator to quickly configure the machine to accept a wide variety of rim sizes. The dynamic bead breaker offers a precise and rapid action, making a once painstaking task effortless. The mounting and demounting tool is designed to engage the tyre without touching the rim, providing reliable results without any risk to the wheel. Every aspect of the tyre changer has been streamlined and refined. An automatic wheel lift is included as standard, and wheel clamping is both universal and secure. The Artiglio Master J is precise, safe and effortless. Inquire today about introducing one into your workshop.